give your introduction without taking your name.
Sir, I am from Bargarh district,
Hmm.
Odisha, especially Bijapur block, sir.
Okay.
And my hobby is to do cooking and studying astrophysics, sir. I
Okay.
have completed my MSc from Ravenshaw Universities, and from last 2 years I am preparing for this exam. This is my first attempt.
Okay. Why civil service? You could have you have good marks in your academics. You could have done do research in physics or can teach
Yes, sir.
physics or anything else in physics field.
Sir, in fact, I was selected in IAS Bangalore for PhD, sir.
Yes.
But I was not qualified in the branch in which I wanted to do PhD.
Which branch you want to do?
Yes, I want to do in astrophysics, sir. But I was
Astrophysics.
qualified in physics.
Okay. Recently, there is a news regarding name change in your college, right?
Sir,
How do you see if your name is changed? Then it will help administratively or it will help anything else to study?
sir, my personal view. I don't think, sir, name should be changed, sir. But there are two reasons, in my opinion, sir. The first one is the T. Ravensa, according to which the name was given, was
E.
not
Ravensa or T.
T,
Ravensa?
sir. T. The name was suggested by Maharaja of, I don't remember exactly, but it was not him who suggested the name for the university, sir. It was a Maharaja due to his contribution towards education, sir. So it was not him.
What is his contribution towards education?
Sir, he established the Ravensa College. Uh, Initially, it was a school, especially after the Nonka famine, sir, to teach the.
He was blamed for non-famine, right?
Yes, sir. But
Then you are telling that he done.
but
Good.
famine is not a. It's not something that a single person can be blamed for that, sir.
Somebody has to take responsibility.
Yes,
Who is in leadership quality? Let's say you are a leader of a particular block.
sir.
Then if something happen in your block, you have to blame
Yes, sir.
because you are in authority.
Yes, sir.
And at that particular time, T. Raven said the authority.
Yes, sir.
Then he has to blame only.
Yes, sir. But the extremities of famine depends on many other factors, sir, like transportation system. For example, in a democratic system like currently India, there is no chance, in fact, of any famine because in suppose there is a famine in Odisha, then the grains from other parts of Odisha can be transported here, sir. So it was, I think, transportation system and the integration of economy which was lacking at that time, sir.
Transportation also is should be done by the authority only, na? No,
yes,
people
sir.
will not work the build the road.
Yes, sir. But single person, can he be possibly build all the transportation system? And in fact, at that time,
can he personally will not need to go to the road to build.
Yes, sir.
He has to give order.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
If something happen in Odisha, only chief minister has to blame, no?
Yes, sir.
Right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Then you will tell chief minister what can do, how can he know in particular village, particular area, how can he know the road is built or not?
Yes, sir. But sir, that's my personal opinion, sir. The name should not be changed. And there is another reason is that the people's emotional attachment to the name, sir.
Okay.
There are many repercussions, especially in students, ex-students, sir.
Okay. Why you want to be a civil servant?
Sir, because sir, there are two aim of my life, sir. First one is obviously studying physics, and second one is civil service. In fact, I consider both of them are on same footing, sir, because ultimately the job done by those two peoples, scientist and civil service, is same, sir. That is upliftment of society and betterment of society.
Not help two field, every field. Everyone is working for
yes, sir.
upliftment of the
But my
society.
inclinations are in those two fields, sir. One I want to pursue as my career, and one as my hobby.
Suppose you get selected in IASM Bangalore, the branch you what you want to you get,
yes,
then
sir.
you will leave this job or you will.
No, sir, I will not leave this job.
Chosen Clinton?
Sir, I have not chosen it, sir. It's my father, sir.
Fathers.
Yes, sir. I don't know the exact reason.
You could not find, huh?
No, sir.
Sir, I see here that your matric mark sheet is very good, but sir, why less graduation and plus two
Sir,
according to your matric mark sheet?
during plus two, sir, I was too much engaged in playing, sir, football, sir. At that time, zonal competition was there in our Sainik school, sir.
Yes, you are player.
Yes, sir, I was a player, sir. But I left it due to my ligament fracture.
Suppose after retirement of one people, the people will get the pension benefit. After died of that who will get the family pension? Who will get the
Wife.
next wife?
Yes, sir.
Then you seen that two wife came to that spot
Yes, sir.
and demanding that I will get the family pension.
Yes, sir.
Then according to you as an administrator, who will get the pension?
Sir, I will decide.
Yes.
Sir, first step.
As per rule.
Yes, sir. Sir, may I take 1 minute, sir? Sir, I will first of all I will look for the that marriage certificate of the couple, sir.
No. The marriage certificate, because retirement means the person who was 60 years, 60 years back, there is no marriage certificate.
Yes, sir. Then I will go and ask in the locality, sir. And
you will ask.
Maybe I will send someone, sir, for that. I will ask.
Who will competent to ask to go to the village?
Sir?
Who will you ask for the go to the village?
Who I will ask, sir.
To whom?
Sir, I will ask to his relatives, sir, immediate relatives, and maybe neighbors, sir.
No, labor means it is not authenticate. The government report is authenticate.
Yes, sir.
To whom you will choose that government personnel, he will give the government report.
Sir, I don't know, sir. I think.
Yes, RI.
RI, sir.
Yes. He will go to the spot,
yes,
and study that to hold the scenario and give the report.
Yes.
So that basing upon that, he will give the pension, family pension.
Using the government machinery for own benefits, sir.
Own benefits.
Yes, sir.
So who is responsible?
Sir, in my opinion, sir, the person who is doing.
Who is doing?
Yes, sir.
But public authority is not.
Yes, sir. Public authority is.
Who is the maximum money?
Ultimately, it's the person, sir.
The person.
Yes, sir.
Not the public authority.
Yes, sir. They are responsible.
So who will give the more money? They press through that one.
Sir, who will?
Who is that total getting the chances of the corruption? Why the people are getting chances of corruption? Because the person, the officer will get more alluring to get your money.
Yes,
or not?
Yes, sir.
So that the officer is the responsible for that.
Yes, sir.
And I want to say that the person and the officer, out of them, who is the responsible?
The person demanding the corruption money, sir. It's officer, I think.
Officer not demanding.
Officer is not demanding, then it's the person, sir.
Thank you.
Your inclination towards physics is still there or not?
Yes, sir. It will always be there.
If it is there, then you tell me. You told me that accidentally you entered into that.
Yes, sir.
What is that accident?
I was not selected in the branch I wanted to do PhD, sir.
Yes.
Then at that time I was studying from MIT Open courseware about finance system and economics, sir.
Okay.
And during that time only, a friend of mine left the Lakshmikant in my hostel, sir, and I kept studying that only. Okay. And when I did not select that, I think that maybe I will try for civil service. And after that, knowing everything, then I started loving it, sir, more.
So in that sense, if you couldn't get chance to work here, if you first or two attempts you didn't qualify,
yes, sir.
Then again somebody will introduce something, then you will go for it or not?
No, sir. I will.
Then how can you say that?
Sir, I think I love. There can be.
I strongly believe.
Yes, sir.
That person like you, who is so talented and having inclination towards a subject,
yes,
which probably others are afraid of.
Sir.
It's a very good subject, physics, and you got selected also.
Sir.
Indian Institute of Science.
Yes, sir.
Is the one of the most prestigious institution.
Sir.
Then now you are thinking that I should enter into civil service. Similarly, why not IAS?
Yes, sir. I have given it, sir.
You already.
Yes, sir. Last was my first attempt.
First attempt.
Yes, sir.
So now you tell me,
sir,
what is in this civil service which attracts most of the youth, not other subjects or other arena?
I think, sir, it is prestige, sir, and yes, sir, in the core level, sir.
And don't you think that this prestige aspect is misguiding many youths?
Yes, sir, it is.
Because they are deviating from their responsibility.
Yes, sir.
But towards what they are getting.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
They are always concentrating on their rights,
sir,
but not the duties.
Yes, sir.
So how will manage if you get selected?
I think, sir, it is the value system which guides a person how he will reflect himself during his duty, sir. I think a person who is compassionate, humble, and dedicated towards service will not do such kind of activities, sir.
Bijapur is developed or underdeveloped?
In my opinion, sir, it is still not fully developed, sir.
So what need to be done?
Sir, in my opinion, sir, I think there are few issues where the administration need
how
to
you
focus.
Can manage? How you can ensure the development in Bijapur? If
yes, sir.
Former chief minister,
sir,
contesting there.
Yes, sir. He has contested.
So focus was there.
Yes.
But being a chief minister having focus, if they cannot, he or she cannot change, sir, then how you think that you can change the block?
Sir, changing something according to me is a matter of priority, sir. I think.
Okay.
Yes.
So
sir.
you are straight away blaming.
No, sir.
Passing the blame
blaming.
on the former chief minister that.
No, sir.
It was not.
No, sir. I'm not blaming.
Okay.
Because he has a lot of responsibility, sir. Bijapur was his constituency. I agree, sir. And he, due to that, he made him an NSC. He made NSC, declare it as a NSC. But he has sanctioned a lot of funds, sir, for it. But still, there are few issues which are neglected, according to me, sir. Like the pond area, sir. It is I think it's one of the biggest pond in Odisha, sir. And the water from which is used as irrigation in many villages, 7-8 villages, sir. But the pond, unfortunately, the pond is shrinking very fast, sir. It's like less than half is remaining, sir. And the second one, I think, is in awareness. I think the rice fallow of land of
so
paddy,
if that shrinkage is there, so much things are happening, then don't you think that a person like you who is more educated could have done something on this, or waiting for the time to be into civil service, then after will do something? That also is not possible because you may be posted in some other district.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So why you not tried that path?
Sir, I have never thought about it, sir, actually.
Which religion you believe?
Hinduism, sir.
Hinduism.
Yes, sir.
Do you regret having this name, Clinton?
No, sir.
Are you enjoying this?
Yes, sir.
Or have you ever faced some kind of humiliation?
No, sir, not at
all. Nothing?
No, sir.
This happens after joining the service, how you will manage?
How will I act, sir? I don't think, sir, a name justifies a person's character or something, sir. Giving something an English name, or maybe it is a Christian name, sir.
Character.
Yes, sir. It does not define, sir, a person's character. ना ना जनों को मैंने
not justifying the justify करीबनी character
respect to the proper character
मैंने जनों को character reflect करेनी name
करेनी
as करेनी
हाँ ସେଇଟା तो ସେଇଟା को relate करके हमें कही परिवा तो रेवेन्सा not because of T Revensa but Revensa name
yes sir
built over the years because of its performance and you can say that excellence so you can do the same way and all my best wishes to make your name and you yourself proud.
You are having passion for the astrophysics,
yes,
right?
Sir.
What is heliosphere?
I don't remember, sir.
Have you heard about dark oxygen?
No, sir.
What is event horizon?
Yes, sir. It is the outer portion of black hole, sir. It is the point from after crossing which there is no return, sir.
Let's say if I throw a light to a black hole in event horizon, what will happen?
It will just cross away, sir.
What will there would be what? Whether the light will pass straight away or that will have bending?
Depends on your angle of projection of light, sir.
No, it will bend. There would be no, because angle does not matter, because black hole as the okay, there would be singularity.
Yes,
Black
sir.
hole is
But
singularity. So light, if the light comes close to that point,
sir,
then it will definitely bend towards the singularity. So that is why we call it event
but
horizon.
if we put it tangentially, but suppose I throw it just like that, the line axis passes through the singularity, then it will go straight away, sir.
If you throw a light to the singularity, it will pass straight away.
Straight away to singularity, sir. There will be no bending.
So that is why I said like a side sphere and event
Yes.
horizon, that
Yes.
would be what the surrounding part.
Sir.
So that now this is also, you can't say directly, sir, it will straight go to the singularity. There may be deflection, but you can't say
Yes,
that
sir.
one also. Okay, it will be straight.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Then we will call what is dark matter?
So dark matter is it is a theory concept in theory, sir. There is no actually experiment. The dark matter is actually the hypothesis came because when we see the stars around galactic centers, they move in a much faster orbital velocity as expected from the gravitational pull of the object from within that area, sir. So the extra gravitational field is, as the scientists say, it is from the dark matters only, sir.
Okay.
The intergalactic spaces are filled with dark matter.
Have you heard about Sagittarius A?
Yes, sir. It is a black hole.
Where it is?
I don't know the location, sir. I think.
What is blue shift?
Blue shift. Sir, it is Doppler effect, sir. The concept came from Doppler effect.
Let's say you are watching a star and
Sir.
you notice it's a blue shift.
Yes.
Then
Sir.
what exactly meaning?
Either the relative velocity between two is decreasing, sir.
Decreasing.
Relative distance between two is decreasing.
That means the star is coming close or moving
Maybe
away?
we are going to that star also, sir. Same
How?
thing.
The distance will decrease or increase?
Decrease, sir.
Now, have you heard about moral and integrity?
Sir?
Moral and integrity?
Moral
and integrity.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Which one you will prefer?
Moral and integrity. I think integrity, sir.
Fine. Now, last one from my side.
Sir.
What is the basic difference in terms of work of BDO and Tahsildar?
Yes, sir. The Tahsildar is engaged in revenue administration, sir. Its main job is to collect revenue of land and other infrastructures, sir. I think land, buildings. But the BDO is engaged in developmental work, sir. It's more like one is collecting the resources and other is spending the resources.
Whether India is having ability to solve to mediate in Ukraine war?
Yes, sir. I think.
And
in fact, Russia has, in fact, Putin has told that India, China, and South Africa has ability. Brazil, I think, has ability.